Welcome to Around the House.
During this review on the Toshiba Toaster Oven, we are going to cook a pizza. And just a quick overview, to turn it on one time to get this to screen to light up, you press the start button, which is right here. And the small knob here, this is your function. And when you turn this, it'll go to convection, keep warm, rotisserie, reheat, defrost, cookies, pizza, broil, bake, and back to toast. If you turn the bottom knob, you can select how many slices of toast if you are on the toast setting. Today we are going to cook a pizza, so we're going to turn the knob to pizza. And if you look over here, this rack where the tray is on the pizza and meats. The next one up is broil. The one over to the left is bake, roast, and reheat. And the next one up, which is the same as the pizza and meat, is for cookies, toast, and bagels. So if you look where the pizza and meat is, you could see inside how the racks have little slots where you can adjust the rack to go to whatever level. So it's set for the pizza. Okay, so since we're going to be cooking the pizza, we have it set over to pizza. And the temperature is going to be 450 degrees. By turning the temperature knob, you can change the knob to 450. And the bottom one is for the amount of time. We'll set that after, because once you hit this button on one more time, it'll start the timer as it's reheating. See how it's flashing the reheat. And then once it gets up to temperature, we'll set the time. And if you watch, this timer will count down. So we started it at 10 minutes, and then we'll see how long it takes to preheat. And then we'll put the pizza in the oven and we'll put it in for the 12 minutes that it says. Okay, so it took about 5 minutes for this to heat up to the 450 degrees. So now that it's ready, we'll go ahead and open up the door. We'll insert the pizza. And then I'll reset the timer, because right now it's 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Oop, wrong one. The bottom one, bottom knob. I'll reset the timer for, I'll do 11 minutes. On the package, it says in a toaster oven you can cook this pizza and it takes between 15 and 16 minutes. And in a conventional oven, it takes between 10 and 12 minutes. The reason why it's a little bit faster in the directions on the oven, because when you use a conventional oven, you can put the pizza right on the rack. So having the pizza right on the rack, it'll cook hotter. When you have it on the pan, the pan actually keeps the bottom of the pizza cooler, and it won't let it burn. So that's why it takes a little bit longer in a pizza oven when you cook this particular pizza. But if you cooked a larger pizza right on the rack, it'll be a lot faster in this toaster oven than it would be into the oven, probably about five to 6 minutes at least. So if you're cooking a larger pizza, after 10 minutes you want to check it. So we'll go ahead and leave this in here at 450 degrees, and we'll fast forward this video so we don't have to watch the 10-minute clock countdown. Okay, we're coming down to about the last 10 seconds, and if you watch the timer countdown, once it goes to 0, it will automatically shut off. Okay, it automatically shut off, and then it tells you the original 12-minute timer that it was set to. So I'll go ahead and open up this oven. Grab my mitt. And if you can see, it's like a perfect pizza, very hot. And then I'll go ahead and put this on the plate and show you how easy it comes off the aluminum foil. And that's it. All you have to do is cut it. And serve. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, you get to see more of my videos coming up.